Guys, Cash App just released a new job paying up to $50 an hour, and you guys better jump on it immediately. In this video, I'm going to explain step by step on all of the description needed for you to get this job paying up to $50 an hour. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q, and I created the first cloud-based software that allows you to put your credit repair experience into your own hands. If you're new to the channel, I'm super excited because I have a banger. In today's video, we're going to talk about a position that can pay you up to $50 an hour working at home. But before we get into the video, guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. It allows YouTube to push this content to a wider audience, and also allows YouTube to push this within the algorithm and allows us to leave these lights on. Guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you have anything derogatory in your credit report, I mean anything negative, charge-offs, late payments, bankruptcies, medical bills, guys, you name it, please go over to mycreditapproved.com. It's the website and the software that I was telling you about that allows you to put the full experience to your own hands. Guys, people are removing thousands of dollars worth of debt by themselves. They are no longer using credit repair companies. They are putting this information in this experience into their own hands and appreciating on a deeper level. Guys, please go to mycreditapproved.com, check out the software, and start removing these items, guys, if you have anything derogatory on your credit report. Now, let's dive straight into the meat and potatoes of this video. Guys, I'm super excited about this video because I honestly believe that this position can help a lot of families, especially work from home moms or students or anyone that's looking to make a substantial amount of money working at home. So guys, let's dive straight in. So Cash App just released a compliance position that allows people to make a substantial amount of money working at home. So the only thing that I'm seeing in the description that they're looking for is for you to make due diligence reviews. Guys, remember that term, due diligence reviews, because that is basically what you're going to do. You're going to do some anti-money laundering. But if you have worked in any type of Walmart or any type of Target, I used to work at Dick's Sporting Goods, and we were familiar with AML quite often. So guys, this is a position that they will train you. They will give you some type of experience before you jump definitely into the field. But guys, this is a work from home position and it pays upwards to $50 an hour. Guys, you heard me. So I'm going to jump over to my screen. I'm going to give you guys all of the step-by-steps that you need to be successful for the position. Guys, good luck. Welcome back to the channel, guys. So like I said, I'm going to show you guys a Cash App career that's paying upwards of $41 an hour, and you can do it without leaving the comfort of your home. So let's dive straight in. So yes, this is the Cash App website. So the website that you want to go to is called cash.app, not .com, cash.app/careers, right? Okay, so once you get to the screen, it's going to look something similar to here. You're going to scroll down, and then you want to look for compliance. Give me 1 second. So yeah, compliance appeal specialist. This is the job you want. But as you can see, guys, they are hiring for a lot of different jobs. If you see something else that spark your interest, definitely take a look at it. But this is the job that we're talking about today, the compliance appeal specialist. Now, I don't want you guys to be intimidated by the title of the job description, compliance appeal specialist. Like, honestly, read the criteria for the description, and it may sound intimidating at first, but in all seriousness, guys, many people that have had basic jobs have had the experience necessary to get this job. So let's talk about it more. So what you would need for the job description, we are looking for a compliance specialist to join block and support the continued build out of our Cash App compliance program. Our mission is to make banking and financial services accessible to the underserved and unbanked by designing and implementing an outstanding compliance program to help Cash App, to help grow the Cash App business while protecting the broader financial ecosystem in the company. Now, in this role, you will support the compliance operations team by conducting due diligence reviews. That's what you're going to do, guys. You're going to do due diligence reviews on the customer accounts, inclusive of complex transactional reviews. You can collaborate with compliance and specialty team members to ensure consistency in the review process. Now, what they're asking for is not a lot, guys. You're basically going to do do due diligence reviews. Now, they are going to train you from what I've heard, but as any job, you definitely want to come in with a little bit of experience, right? So this is what you would do. Investigate for activity that violates block rules and document findings, verify customer information, and conduct due diligence reviews as part of block's policies. Stay abreast of regulatory updates and or new requirements and understand overall impact to day-to-day work. Contribute to projects optimizing the regulatory program and operations team processes. Work in collaboration with support, risk, and other operations teams within block. Now, this is the qualification that they're asking for, guys. But as you can see already, they paying $41 an hour. But 3+ years experience in BSA or fraud-related work, preferably in payment space. Strong investigative skills, including familiarity with public record research and database tools. Demonstrate transaction analysis skills and apply across numerous financial products and complex scenarios. Now, guys, I definitely wanted to jump back into AML. Now, you guys have probably seen this before if you have worked in any type of retail environment. I used to work for Dick's Sporting Goods, and when I got promoted to the manager, we have to go over AML. That stands for anti-money launder. Now, I don't think that you need to go to school for this or, need a bachelor's. They're not asking for any of that, but they definitely want you to have some experience. So if you have worked in Walmart, Target, Dick's Sporting Goods, Academy, any of those big retailers, you probably have went over anti-money laundering. Now, if you don't know what it is, I would advise you to look it up, see exactly what they're asking for, understand it a little better, so you can go into this position with as much confidence as you can possibly can. Now, strong investigative skills include familiarity with public record. We went over that. Ability to present and communicate findings to team members and team leads. An ability to work in a fast-paced environment and adjust quickly as things change. Now, I do want to talk about the pay. I do know that the pay definitely go by the geographical location that you are in. Zone D is going to pay $31 roughly to $37 an hour. Zone C is going to pay $35 to $42 an hour. Zone B will pay $38 to $46 an hour, and Zone A will pay between $41 to $50 an hour, guys. Let me know in the comment section how you actually would feel about this position. Do you think that this is something you can get with? If not, just let me know as well. I'm very interested in you guys' comments. The benefits include the following: healthcare coverage, so you're going to get healthcare, retirement plans including company match, employee stock purchase program. That is amazing, guys. Having stock in a company like Cash App, which is in my opinion, in its infancy stage, can have great upward mobility potential for you to make a lot of money. I always look at stocks as stock options within companies as ways to be a owner and feel like you are more than your position in a way. So wellness program includes access to mental health, financial planners and monthly wellness allowance, paid parental and caregiving leave, paid time off, learning and developmental resources, paid life insurance, AD&D, and disability benefits, perks such as WHF reimbursement and free access to caregiving, legal, and discounted resources. Guys, this position is very interesting. I think this would help a lot of people, especially people that want to work from home and make a great source of income. I think that this will be a great added experience and added income for any household that's looking to work from home and make some good money. As you can see, this is remote. So that's a different job. So this is going to be a remote position, though. Employees can work remotely. So yeah, guys, let me know in the comment section how you feel about this. If there's something you can get with. If it's not, let me know. Until next time, guys, take care of yourself and take care of your credit. Credit Coach Q out.